Say goodbye to typos. With the new spell checker in Photoshop Elements 2026, you can be confident that your text is always correct. Here's how it works. Open the Type tool and start typing your text. To check spelling, go to the Edit menu and select Check Spelling. Or simply right-click on your text and choose Check Spelling from the Context menu. Review the suggestions and accept or reject changes. You can even add new words to your dictionary for future use. By default, the dictionary matches your app language, but you can manually change it from the Type tool options if needed. That's it. The new spell checker makes text editing in Photoshop Elements easier and more accurate than ever.